IEBC tatangaza itakuwa ni results zetu sisi sote.
Still in politics, leaders in Western Kenya have been urged to stop using young people to incite chaos during the ongoing campaigns ahead of this week's by-elections. Speaking in Mumias town, Kakamega County, university leaders under the Western Students Leaders Association said they have put in place measures to boost voter turnout, stressing that the youth vote will be a decisive factor in the forthcoming elections.
We have discussed on voter registration, why the youths are not registering votes, and we have also put mechanism in place to make sure that as student leaders we want to encourage our brothers and sisters to register. In most, being the largest institution in Kakamega, we have 25,000 plus students. Out of these 25,000 plus, we know the majority are unregistered voters, and that is the Gen Z and the youth bracket. Now, we have discussed and we have seen it possible that we are going to register at least 10,000, because we know these are the voters, people who come from around, the voter, people who will get them when it comes to 2027. They are going to be there and they can make a political impact.
The victims that were injured, some they died, and 99% of them were a young generation. How are they going to be compensated, and their welfare, how we're going to look into. Our generation is not going to be used and be damned. They must be on that table to discuss, to air also their views, so that we see inclusivity, both ladies and men. And I am appealing to the leaders of Western region. This is a voice to reckon.
We're taking another break here on KTN News Desk. When we come back from the break, Kelly Boss, my friend, with all the business news for you. Don't go away.